it wouldn't be a house tour without showing you guys the house. Yeah, I keep the sticks with me, dog. Oh crap, he fell. Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaydan, back at it again with another video. So in today's video, we'll be doing a Minecraft house tour. So I've been playing this world for about a week now with my mate Damien and my cousin Lachlan, and we've actually been progressing through. So I'm gonna show you guys the base and all the stuff that we built, so let's get into it. So starting off, we're at the lookout tower. Here's my cousin Lachlan. And yeah, where do I start? So if you look down here, we have a bunch of horse stables. That's where we like to keep all our horses, all our animals. We've got cows, sheep, pigs, and here's our farm. We like to keep some wheat, potatoes, carrots, sugarcane, pumpkins, and melons. And yeah, we never have to go hunting for food again. So let's go down there to get a better look. Just a little spiral staircase, nothing too crazy. I'm not a pro builder, I just enjoy playing Minecraft. On the ground floor, we have Lachlan's horse here. We haven't found another saddle, so right now, he's just chilling. We've got two donkeys. This is my mate Damien's horse. It's Meg the Stallion, aka the rapper, aka the horse. Over here, we have my horse, the White 04, pretty much named after my car, and it definitely beats running in Minecraft, because these horses are way faster. Over here, we have our cows. If Lachlan could do a demonstration, this is how one is slaughtered. I like that. Alright, proceed. Here's our sheep. They're all colored red, white, and blue because we did build this court with the wool from the sheep. So it's pretty self-sufficient. Over here's the farm. The crops are still growing because we harvested everything. We've got some more stables too. We've got some black sheep. Some cows and some pigs, and these stables are just for display. I didn't know what to build here, and if anyone has any ideas for what we should build next, let me know in the comments below. Alright, moving on. We've got this Japanese Zen garden. We've yet to fill it with anything, but that's the garden. I do want to show you guys what's past here, but we're gonna have to save that for another video. But anyways, moving on. We have another little pond here, just a little display thing. We got like an Asian garden going. And yeah, campfire, some trees, and some pigs. Alright, moving on. Here's our basketball court. Full court is where I like to play basketball, you know, shoot some threes. You stupid. But yeah, put my horse back. Alright. Coming down the stairs. This is just a little golf buggy, just decorations. We have a spruce wood farm. You come down here, we have some llamas and some other random animals that just came in there. I just kept them. And it wouldn't be a house tour without showing you guys the house, so come on in. Alright, so starting off, we have the main foyer. We have just a bunch of chests here, crafting table, and everything you could ever need in survival, really. We don't have much stuff because we only started like a week ago, but I'd like to say we're going in the right direction. Organization is on point. We've got all our old tools, stuff like that. Come here, just random stuff. We got our furnaces. And yeah, the base didn't take too long to build. We used stone bricks for the floor, spruce wood for the pillars, and acacia wood for the roof. So it wasn't too hard to get these materials, except for the terracotta on the walls. Because I don't know if you play Minecraft, but clay is kind of a grind to get, and you have to smelt it and cook it all to make this terracotta, so it took a minute for sure. But moving on, here's our bunk beds. We've got bottom bunk, top bunk, and that's where we like to do most of our sleeping. Fun fact, these beds were actually stolen from a village, so I don't know about them villagers, but they be bedless right now. Keep our chest here. We got a fish tank with some fish in it. They just swim around. And yeah, that's pretty much the base. I don't know what furniture we can put in here. Please let me know what I should build for the next live stream, but that's pretty much the house. Another little secret I'm gonna share with you guys. This just looks like an ordinary painting, but you walk straight through. It's our secret mine shaft. Here we're gonna store some chests, but we haven't gotten around to doing it because there's so much things to do. If you come down here, this is where all of our diamonds have been found. And there's no better feeling in this world than finding your first diamonds. I remember when I was 10 years old, and that feeling still resonates in my head. One last thing I want to show you guys in this episode. One of my favorite things about this base, our slime spawner. Alright, coming out to the backyard, we've got another little farm here. What's this pigman doing here? Oh no! Yeah, I keep the sticks with me, dog. Here's our nether portal. We do have a little pond at the back here. I'm gonna just jump in this boat quickly. Takes me back to them Vietnam days. So you can just drive around here. It's actually a lazy river, so you can just float around, I guess. Over here I want to make a sticky piston door, so like a little secret base there, but that's something we have to do in the live stream. Now onto one of my favorite things about this base, our secret slime spawner. So you jump down here, little elevator shaft, and here's our slimes. Oh wait, there's none spawned right now, that's kind of awkward. But if you look up there, that's where all the slimes spawn in. They jump down. They unfortunately have to drown to death, but that's just the way of life. You come down here, and then we got mad slime balls. Oh crap, he fell! His man's good, bro. He just fell from a very high place. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video if you stayed to the end. And let me know what else I should build in this world. I'm not a crazy builder, but I do enjoy playing Minecraft with my friends. So let me know ideas of what we should do. If we should fight the Ender Dragon. If we should build a water park. Let me know. But that's all I have for today's video. So if you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time guys, peace.
I can leave the creek, can't leave my house without that fire. I'd have been through shit, but I made my way, I paid the price. Gotta get this shit, wanted this shit for my whole life. Can't sell my soul, I'm way too real, got too much pride.